your bad luck, good luck for him.
That's Bob. Big, I promise.
It doesn't matter. The point is we got enough.
Okay, pinky promise, guys. Okay, I guess that was a pinky promise. Holy shit. Yeah, guys, just spin it.
Oh, okay, there's a whole
Yeah, guys, this video is gonna be a banger. Guys, but I swear this is gonna be a banger. This part 5 is banger, bro. I swear.
That did a lot.
He used shake.
You got bigger?
Why can't attack fire in the horse?
Go on, but.
This one's gonna be big.
Oh, guys, pinky promise. Headphone uses.
There it is.
But how's this little kid?
That's one.
This little kid is just burping.
Did I tell you about the one that got caught?
Okay, done?
When I first saw
Done?
it, I was like,
But
wow, that looks
before I'm done, I want
wow.
to do the
Really
voice
cool
of
graphics.
Jeffy. Kind of sounds like Jeffy in that
Still haven't
SML
solved the
video.
problem of
Alright,
just not having
I'm
enough
doing
2.5 inch
what I'm doing.
Now done?
Bye.
Okay, guys, my small brother. I'll see you in the next thingy. Yeah.
In 1 month, I will be uploading 5 more with April.
10. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, do one more burp for the viewers. Okay, view. This is your burp. Come on, burp bigger for the views. Come on, you know, for the views. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, for the views, bro. Come on, it's for the subscribers. Come on.
Do you have where's your hot glue again?
Oh god.
Okay.
So,
Come on, man. Nah. Hey guys, my little brother's just exhausted, so he can't do any big burps. Yeah, big brother. Oh wait. Oh. Guys. Holy.
Guys, wait, guys.
Come on, this video is literally 2 minutes long, bro. I'm still burping. Okay, views. Subscribe if that burp was enough for you guys. Let's go. Peace out, guys.